There is a time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens. Ecclesiastes 3:1. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. Did you know you can regrow beets from scraps? It's true. Instead of tossing those beet tops, turn them into a delicious second harvest. I'll show you how. You'll need beetroot scraps with at least an inch of stem attached, a jar or glass of water, a pot or container for planting, and of course, potting soil. First, slice off the top inch or two of the beetroot, ensuring you have at least an inch of stem remaining on the root. Place the beet top, cut side down, in a jar or glass filled with about an inch of water. Position the jar in a sunny location, like a windowsill. Remember to change the water every day or two to prevent bacteria growth. Within a week or two, you'll see new leaves and roots sprouting from the beet top. Once the roots are about an inch long, it's time to plant. Fill your pot with potting soil and gently plant the beet top, ensuring the roots are covered. Water well and place the pot in a sunny spot. Your beet greens will be ready to harvest in about a month. Simply snip off what you need, leaving the rest to continue growing. You can also harvest the entire beet top, including the small regrown beetroot, after about 2 months. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown beet greens in salads, smoothies, or as a delicious side dish. Regrowing beets is a fun, easy, and rewarding way to reduce food waste and enjoy fresh produce. Give it a try and let me know how your beet growing journey goes in the comments below. Happy gardening! Beets are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a great addition to your diet. The greens are especially nutritious, providing a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. You can add beet greens to your smoothies for an extra health boost. They blend well with fruits and other greens, giving you a nutrient-packed drink to start your day. Beet greens can also be sautéed with garlic and olive oil for a quick and tasty side dish. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, and you have a simple yet flavorful addition to any meal. They are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to stir-fries and casseroles. The possibilities are endless. And don't forget, any leftover scraps can be composted to enrich your garden soil, completing the cycle of sustainability. Gardening is not just about growing food. It's about connecting with nature and understanding the cycle of life. It's a rewarding experience that brings joy and satisfaction. Share your harvest with friends and family and inspire them to start their own gardening journey. It's a wonderful way to build community and promote healthy living. Keep a gardening journal to track your progress and learn from your experiences. Note down what works and what doesn't, and you'll become a better gardener with each season. There's nothing quite like the feeling of seeing your garden flourish. It's a testament to your hard work and dedication. So get started today and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Happy gardening, and may your beet growing journey be fruitful and fulfilling.